If x follows a binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 8 and p is equal to half, then what's p of mod x minus 4 less than or equal to 2 equals? Dear students, as you know, n represents the number of times or number of trials or number of times you are repeating the same experiment. P represents the probability of success. Q represents the probability of failure. In this particular case, probability of success is half, which implies probability of failure is half too. We are supposed to find what's the probability of modulus of x minus 2 less than or equal to 4. Or rather, we are supposed to find modulus of x minus 4 less than or equal to 2. Now let me write it in a form that we can understand very well. So when I say modulus of x minus 4 less than or equal to 2, it simply means x minus 4 lies between minus 2 and plus 2. Now I do a very simple operation, I add 4 on all the three sides, so that will be minus 2 plus 4, that's 2, x minus 4 plus 4, that's x, 2 plus 4, that is 6. So we understand that when we say modulus of x minus 4 less than or equal to 2 is same as saying x is greater than or equal to 2 less than or equal to 6. So this is exactly what we need to find now. So we are supposed to find the probability of the random variable x taking values between 2 and 6, including 2 and 6. So that would be nothing but p of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3 plus probability of x is equal to 4 plus probability of x is equal to 5 and finally probability of x is equal to 6. Now as you know, children, in this particular question, when I write p of x is equal to x, in binomial distribution, p of x is equal to x is NCX, p to the power x, q to the power n minus x. So when I say that, in this particular question, n is 8, so it would be 8cx, and p is half, and q is also half. So that's going to be half power x into half power n minus x, or 8 minus x. So that's a power m into a power n form, that's a power m plus n. So half power x plus n minus x, x gets cancelled. So it's half power n, and n is 8. So that's going to be nothing but half to the power 8, or 1 by 2 power 8. So it's enough if we write it as 8c2 divided by 2 power 8 plus 8c3 divided by 2 power 8, 8c4 divided by 2 power 8, 8c5 divided by 2 power 8, 8c6 divided by 2 power 8, and 2 power 8 is nothing but 256. You know that 8c2 is 8 into 7 by 2, 8c3 is 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 8c4 is going to be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 factorial. 8c5 is same as 8c3, 8c6 is going to be same as 8c2. Now when we simplify all that, we get 238 would be the sum of all these things divided by 256, and when we divide by 2, we get 119 upon 128. Therefore, the right answer for this particular question is going to be the second option. Dear students, I hope you have been able to understand very clearly how this particular question needs to be solved.